I'm going to show you how to create your first takeoff, generate an estimate, and how to customize panel to your workflow. Let's get started. I'm going to give my first agent a couple of drawings. I'm just going to drag and drop, and I'll use the voice to text feature. Create a quantity takeoff for the attached security drawings. So while this is running, a little bit about how our takeoffs work is that it's looking at visual detection of any symbols, it's looking at notes, it's looking at any callouts, and if you direct it to, it'll also use any schedules, details, riser diagrams to assist with any of the quantity takeoffs, as well as if you're looking for measurement takeoffs, distance, or area, it's important to direct the AI agent to perform that type of takeoff that you're looking for. Alright, so you can see here that we already have our response. It's giving us a breakout within the chat and a little bit about the user interface here. You'll notice that a preview panel has popped up with my itemized list from my takeoff and the log section showing us that an estimate has been created, which you'll be able to find under the estimates page. So I'll just close that off, give us a little bit more room here. I'll close off my chat section, and you'll notice that we have items by group and by page, as well as we have our visual markup showing us the drawings. Now if I click this button, I can see a split view of these two tabs, and it'll close off my chat section. So you can see that here. And by page, you can see that we have the itemized list on each one of those, showing us item, quantity, unit, and some notes. You'll notice that I'm in express mode, which is a faster version of our takeoff. If you're using precision mode, which I'll get into a little bit later in this video, you'll actually have the AI mark up any items on the drawing itself. Jumping back over to the chat section, regarding those speed modes, you'll notice that we have precision, express, and custom. Precision mode is where you'll get the most detailed itemized list, as well as that visual markup that I was referencing earlier. Express mode, this is where we ran this one, and you'll actually save up to 75% in time and also in credit usage compared to precision mode. Custom will actually use your model picked through any one of the latest Claude, GPT, or Gemini models, whereas precision and express use our proprietary pipeline with analyzing the best use case of our in-house AI system to generate that takeoff for you. To jump into an example with a visual takeoff, I'll just head up back over into my chats. I'll search an example here that I have built out. And you'll see here that with a visual takeoff, you'll get all these markups done by AI. And also, what you'll be able to do is, let's say there were a few items that were missed, you can click on any one of those markups, and then you could quickly add in, and it'll add to the count of that itemized list for you. What you can also do is you can calibrate the drawing, so you can already see that I have my preset calibration there. I'll reset my scale, and you could select from one of these quick scales, imperial, metric, or you could self-calibrate that, and I'll just set my ortho, so this way it locks my angle there. You can set that. Obviously this is very rough, but you want to be more precise with it and set that scale. From there, now you can create these additional distance and measurements on the drawing. So again, you can measure across from there. You could do an area measurement. So a lot of functionality with selecting and itemizing your takeoff. From here you could also add this item. So let's just say this was area, save, and now we've added that to our list.